Hello children, in this video we are going to study EVS chapter number 22, The World in My Home, on page number 179. Children, here in this lesson we are going to study many small incidents that might be happening in and around our family. The first incident is, children, tug of war. Now children, this tug of war is a game that where the rope is pulled by the two groups. Here the rope is there, children, and here are the children holding this. There are two teams like this, and they try to pull that rope to their side. If these children are succeeded in pulling the rope, then they will win. If this side children are succeeded in pulling that rope, then they will win. This is known as tug of war. Now children, here there is one incident happening in a family. See here, if it happens in and around your family. Now children, see, once again everybody in Maratha's family is quarreling over watching the TV, just like they do every day. Here Maratha's brother wants to watch a cricket match, while little Susan is eager to watch her favorite program of songs. Mummy and auntie are good friends, but their favorite TV programs are different. Mummy likes to watch the news, while auntie enjoys a TV serial. Now, Maratha wants to watch cartoons and daddy enjoys the football match. He says that he can watch TV only in the evening. Finally, everybody had to watch the football match. Now children, I think in many of the families such kind of incident happens where everyone wants to watch his choice program on the TV, and then a fight like situation occurs in our home. So children, here in this family of Maratha, everyone have different choices of watching programs on TV. Like Maratha's brother wants to watch a cricket match. Her younger sister Susan enjoys watching songs on TV. Now children, here we see that Maratha's family is a joint family, and here there are many members in her family, all having different choices of TV programs. It is just like a small world living in one house, because in her family there are people who are having different choices of watching TV programs, but still they all live together like a small world. Now children, let us talk. In your home too, do people quarrel over fans, TVs, newspapers, chairs or anything else? Yes, in my home also, me and my sister quarrel over TV. This is the very common incident that happens in each and every house, isn't it? Now children, in your home, who settles such quarrels? We ourselves settle such quarrels. Now children, talk about an interesting incident that at home when there was a quarrel over such thing. Once, when a cricket match was coming, I had to watch the cricket match, but my sister wanted to watch her favorite cartoon show. And like this, there was a quarrel between me and my sister on watching a TV program. Now children, have you ever seen people quarreling over something where and what? I have seen several times when people were quarreling over many small things. Like once when I was going by train, two people were quarreling over sitting near the window. Now children, let us see the next incidents. Why the difference? It is 7 o'clock in the evening. Pratibha is hurrying home from her friend's house. Her brothers Sandeep and Sanjay are busy playing around the corner with their friends. They are in no hurry to go home. Even if they are late, nobody will scold them. Pratibha thinks that this is not fair. Why should there be one rule for her and another for her brothers? But what can she do? Now, children, in this incident, we see that there is difference showing between girls and boys. Children, not in our houses, but in many houses, it happens that parents give more preference to boys rather than girls, and so happened this here in this incident. Here, children, there is a girl named Pratibha. She was playing a small football match, like a gully match, with her two brothers Sandeep and Sanjay, and with many of their friends. Children, as soon as it was 7 o'clock, Pratibha was hurrying to go home because if she will not reach home till 7 o'clock, then her parents will scold her for that. On the other hand, her two brothers, Sandeep and Sanjay, are still playing, and even if they are late, no one will scold them. Pratibha, parent, will not say a single word to her brothers. So, children, Pratibha was thinking that it's not fair. Why? The rules are different for boys and girls in the same home. But what can she do? Children, this is seen nowadays only in some families where the restrictions are put on girls for their protection. Children, we see that in many homes, parents have different rules for their own daughters and sons, or we can say that they have different rules for their girl child and boy child. This should not happen, children. What do you think? There should be one rule for all in the family. Now, children, let us talk. Now, children, they are asking, does this kind of thing happen in your house or in any of your friends' house? What do you think about this? This kind of thing does not happen either in my or my friend's house, but this type of thing is discrimination between boys and girls, and I think this is not fair. Now, children, do you think that there should be different rules for girls, boys, men and women? Now, children, my answer will be no. Rules should be the same for all girls and boys, women and men. Now, children, the next part is think what would happen if girls had to follow rules made for boys and boys had to follow rules made for girls. Children, if it happens, everything will become a mess. Now, children, Pillu auntie, this incident we will see in the next video. Till then, bye children. Have a nice time.